Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall QR code reader or barcode scanner on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone and I'm going to show you some methods you can try to uninstall or remove this QR code reader or barcode scanner on your Android mobile phone. Okay, I'm going to show you guys three methods you can try. The first one, you can uninstall the QR code reader or barcode scanner from your setting. So you need to go to the settings menu on your Android mobile phone. Wait, where is my settings? Okay, here. I'm going to open up the settings and then we're going to go to the app setting. Okay, just scroll down until you find the app setting. And then here you can find the QR code reader or barcode scanner app on your Android mobile phone. You just need to scroll down like this. Or if you find it difficult to find the application, you can go to the search bar and then you can type in QR code and barcode scanner. Okay, this is the application. You can open the application and then you just need to click on uninstall to remove the application from your Android mobile phone. Okay, this is for the first method. And then the second method, you can uninstall this application from your Play Store. You can go to the Play Store application. Okay, this one. And then you can search for the QR code reader or QR code scanner. Okay, just go to the search menu, search for QR code scanner or QR code reader, whatever. And then you can click on the application and you can simply click on uninstall. And then the application will be removed from your Android mobile phone. And then you can also click on this profile. Go to Manage App and Device, go to Manage, and then you can uninstall the QR code reader app here. Okay, you just need to find the QR code reader or QR code scanner, and then you can uninstall it here. You just need to find the application and wait, I'm still trying. Okay, this one, click on the application and you can click on this delete icon to remove the application from your Android mobile phone. And the last one, this is the very simple method. You just need to tap and hold on the application and click on uninstall. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.